Welcome to Cavalry Man 86, everyone. It is a little after midnight, about maybe quarter after 12. I'm at work, and it has begun to rain and freezing rain and stuff like that. Here's my car in the parking lot. As you can see, it's starting to big chunks of freezing rain. The ice is starting to form up on my car already. We're supposed to get like a half inch of ice on everything, so that's going to make things real difficult going home today. This thing is supposed to last pretty much all day, from what I understand. So I'll bring you guys back when we're going home. Well, maybe a little sooner before we go home, but at least going home so you can see what's going on. So we'll see you in a bit. Okay, everyone, it did a number on the car. It iced it up pretty well. You can see I'm not getting any of that off right now. I'm worried that I won't be able to get the car open. So we're gonna see here. I think I unlocked it already, but we'll see. Oh, barely got in. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this run for a while and let it thaw everything off a little bit before I take off this morning. I pretty much just need to see out front. I don't need to see out back, but there's a pretty thick layer of ice on all around the car, as you can see. So I'll be back out in about a half an hour. Okay, everyone, we're going to take off, and we're going to see how bad the roads are and if there's any damages. I already know from my wife texting me that we don't have no power. Consumers is out there working on it, but we're going to see what we can see on the way. Hopefully it's not a crash on our end. So, and I can't help with the darkness. There's no lights inside this car, so just going to have to deal with it. So, here we go. That is, I'm seeing flashing. You guys can see that, I think. Up ahead. Looks like arcing to me. Wow, it's really lighting up the sky. Wow, what is that? Arcing. Wow. We're out of power down here for sure. It had lights for a minute, then there was some arcing down there. Wow. Look at all the ice on the trees. Very low branches. Weeping willow trees are hanging down real low to the ground. Surprised none of these branches. Well, it looks like we did. Oh, maybe not. I don't know. We got a broken branch there? No, no broken branches, which I'm shocked. I got the welcoming committee at the door. You missed it.
What? The surging?
Yeah, the power, the arcing.
I've seen it. It's done it twice. It's in here doing the burp, 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 burp.
Yeah, but the arcing was outside.
Oh, out here?
Out in that direction over there.
I hear the humming but then when I got up to go look outside, it stopped. She's been looking all over the house for you.
There's Piper. There's little Piper. Yeah, there's a lot of arcing out here, and you can tell that there's power surges carrying on. Not to mention all these low branches. Normally these are not. This is at face level, and normally they're way up higher. So there's a lot of weight on these branches, and we got more of this stuff coming, and I can only imagine that if some of this stuff doesn't melt, we're gonna have some branches coming down. Not too long ago, there was more arcing over in that direction. I don't know the exact source, but there's something going on. Trees or something going on the power lines. I don't like shining this light in my face. Maybe if I just do that. But yeah, I'll try to catch some of that stuff. I've never seen that happen before anywhere. So I'm gonna try to catch some of that as it happens. I'm not gonna go anywhere near where it's happening, obviously. But I hear sirens. I don't know if that's because of an accident or a fire or or what. But there's supposedly crews out here working, consumers crews working to get the power back up. So we'll see. I'm going to try to kind of reserve the power on this, on my phone here. I mean, I had another phone I could use, but maybe I'll use that one and keep this one just for like emergencies or whatever. But I'll get back to you guys. As you can see, everything is iced over really good. Let me get a close up here. I mean, nice thick thing of ice all the way around all these branches. And you can see right up there we did break some branches on the tree. So if the ice gets any thicker, which they say this isn't done yet, we'll have a lot more branches and stuff down. So you hear people scraping ice off their cars. The ground has a nice thin layer of ice all over it, grass and everything. So we still do not have power. Julie just called me a little bit ago and said that estimated time to have the power back on is a couple days. So I'm not sure exactly what we're going to do, but we will do something, and we'll keep you guys updated when this about this whole thing. Well, it's about 2:15, and I just got up. Piper wanted out, and I looked out the window, and this is what I found. More branches broke off. Some big branches. So yeah, this stuff isn't over yet, guys. So again, I will man, those are some big branches. I mean, there's my foot. These aren't twigs. These are big branches. I can only imagine some more of these will be coming down shortly if things don't lighten up a bit. Man, this is one of the reasons I don't like weeping willow trees. They are a very messy tree. So I'll again keep you guys informed, updated. So okay, guys, it is 5 to 7 at night. We still have a lot of ice out there on the trees. We're expecting to get more ice tonight around midnight-ish, somewhere around that. I'm gonna call this video done. It may be a part 2, you know, with what's out there. I'm not sure when I'm gonna get this video out. Because of the power outage we had, I think it fried our Wi-Fi. So I don't have any way of connecting to the internet except for this phone, and I cannot put it to this phone. I'm going to edit it. I'm going to get it all done and things like that. So once we get Wi-Fi again, I'll just upload it and get it out there. So obviously by the time you see this, it'll be there. And just a reminder that prize, as far as I know, I'm going to double check this weekend. As far as I know, is still out there. Nobody has contacted me saying, hey, I got it, thanks, nothing like that. So check out the last video where I give the coordinates on the bottom of the screen here. And if you're in the area, check it out and collect your prize. So when it comes to these prizes, if this is if it's a success, meaning I got people going out and look for it, or it's, you know, the prize isn't sitting there for a month or so. I do travel a little bit, not a lot, some out of state, some within the state. I will put prizes in various places. So it's just not going to be here in Grand Rapids. It will be in various places throughout the state, maybe some local states, or not local states, some states around Michigan. So you never know. Never know when and where I might put something out there. So just stay tuned. And if this thing is a success, there'll be more. So as of right now, I'm going to say I want you guys to stay alert, stay safe, Toosiers pray, and we'll see you later. You're saying the second round is coming.
Yeah.